the things that I was showing you. Where are you going to? Do you know? Okay, we are here in the grocery. We're going to buy something because I forgot that I have to meet someone. I mean, a family. Yeah, they come here already before and they gave me some Filipino stuff. And this time, I'm going to give them this one for their kids. Yeah, they are here in one of the unit. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
One of you. Request namin na makita.
Good afternoon. Yeah, we are at the moment in the Shelby Caravan Park. Yeah, Shelby Caravan Park. You see there are some tents and some caravan, of course, and this is where they stay.
Let's go, Jeremy. Come inside. Here. Ito lang.
Tama-tama na pala nakagala rin kayo ng sa umaga.
Pero maganda yung toilet nila. The toilet is very nice.
Yeah, this is Shelby Caravan Park. Okay, we are going home now. And we are able to catch this sunset. At the moment, there are many people relaxing in here. So good. Even on this side, you see many people. They are just waiting for that sunset. Amazing. So good. Look at that. You see that there are people there just waiting. Also, the temperature is just right. That is why many people, they are partner, group of friends, lovers, family. So nice. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live where I believe, no matter what. Yeah, again, many tourists here in Nelson Bay these days. Because it's weekend. It is now 4:30. You know, when I get home this afternoon, I just made a coffee and yeah, went to the computer. Oh, there are people there. Sometimes I see the neighbor but I don't really recognize the face. I don't know how the neighbors look like. Yeah, those lady there, I don't know how they looks. Yeah, even this the neighbor here, I don't know who are they. Yeah, I'm still full when I arrive home this afternoon. Today I finished at 2 o'clock, and yeah, because before leaving the hotel I eat the trimmings of the pork belly. I cut the pork belly, the portion, and then the trimmings is small pieces. I fried it and I eat it. And now I'm hungry. I'm reheating this rice and I am going to eat this. You know, this is coming from Bisdak Aussie family vlog. Yeah, check their YouTube channel and you will like it. They are basically coming from Singapore, and so first they are coming from New Zealand and then moved to Singapore and now move here in Australia. They are also making vlog, live vlog, and yeah, I met them yesterday and they give this to me. Yeah, sardines, egg. This is what? Yeah, salted duck egg and tuna, coffee, another coffee, and this obi halaya. It's like a purple yam jam. And other sardines. Yeah, thank you very much. It is the second time that they gave me this kind of like a grocery stuff. I really Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock and that's amazing. We had a good service today because was very smooth. I mean, all the guests, they come just on time, not all together. There is one big group of 8 people and they order 6 full breakfast, fried egg, just fried egg, full breakfast. So it means that everything with the bacon, with the sausage, with mushroom and tomato and baked beans. Yeah, and making fried egg is very easy, so it was smooth. Plus 3 pancakes, no, 2 pancakes. Yeah, those are the order of those big group. They are still working on the what is that? Renovation, reconstruction, re-improvement. Yeah, this one, they are still working on it. And those cars, yeah, those are the cars of those people who are working in here. Oh, look at that, that guy is cleaning the grill. That is public grill. Nice. Sometimes there are guests, they order complicated order, especially if it's in the group. It will take time to prepare. Yeah, complicated order are those special order. Yeah, there are always some people who do like that. I mean, it's for their health requirement, dietary requirement. We do that. Sometimes there are people, they order bruschetta without tomato. How is that? And to give you an update on the COVID situation here in Australia, last night when I heard the news that yeah, there are still some more new cases in Melbourne, in Victoria. Here in Sydney, new cases is just around 13 or yeah, not more than 20. Yeah, and most of them are just in Sydney area, in Greater Sydney. Nothing in Nelson Bay, Port Stephen, or until Tweed Head in the border of Queensland. Yeah, there's none. But yeah, the border of Queensland, I mean, yeah, border of different states here in Australia are still closed, especially the border of Queensland and New South Wales. I don't know about the other state, but yeah, particularly Queensland, they are closed. It is difficult for non-Queenslander to go to Queensland. That is why Some of the items in our kitchen are not available, like the mushroom. Yeah, it's been a week that we don't have mushroom. This pandemic is really bad. I mean, it is really obviously affecting everyone badly. Yeah, I remember in 2008 there is also a crisis, economic crisis, but yeah, I don't really feel that. I mean, I know that, but doesn't really affect most of the people. Only company or businesses are really affected by that. Yeah, I remember one of my my employer, they closed our hotel because of that economic crisis during 2008. Yeah, our hotel, the Four Seasons Hotel Golf Club in Dubai, they closed because of that crisis. But yeah, the Intercontinental Hotel, they take over the management of the hotel, of the golf club, and I was still employed. Yeah, so we didn't really experience the hardship of that crisis situation. But these days, yeah, of course, every one of us are really affected emotionally, especially. And today is not really cold, still windy, but the wind is not cold. Yeah, I started yesterday. Yeah, actually yesterday during my break, I noticed that the temperature is not really cold. It was 20 degrees. And I've seen many people yesterday swimming during my break time. Yeah. And actually the winter ends because the winter here in Australia is from June to August. Yeah, June to August, or maybe July. Yeah, but the last day of winter is August. Spring is good because not really cold and very comfortable outside. And if you notice, I don't know, but you don't see it, but if you actually look closer to the trees, yeah, they are spring. What is that? Yeah, there are leaves that are now sprouting. Look at that, already with leaves, small. We are not going inside. We just come here just to sing along with the music.